So let's try numbers 49 and 6.5. Okay. I'm supposed to solve by factoring. So what do I do first?
Get everything on one side.
Okay, I gotta get all that stuff to the other side. So how do I do that?
Subtract 42 and then add 49.
M.
Let's do that.
That's what I thought, right? Okay, so we've got 9m squared minus 42m plus 49 equals 0. Okay, now what? I would like to, I don't know, I gotta factor, right? Okay. Looks like I'm kind of stuck doing the AC method, right? I might try to factor a 9 out of everything first, but I can't factor a 9 out of anything except the first term, right? So I'm totally dorked on that one.
Can you factor 3 out?
Can you?
Out of 42 out of 3.
Yeah, I can factor 2 out of the first term, but not out of the last one. And in general, that doesn't do me much good, so.
So you just needed to add to be negative 42 and multiply to 58.
Close. I need multiply to, so if I'm doing the AC method, right? AC method. I need multiplies to,
441.
whatever 9 times 49 is, right? Which is not so bad. Don't bother multiplying these together, by the way. Just realize this is 3 times 3 times 7 times 7, right? I don't even need to know what that is. And in fact, if you watch me do a mess of these, you won't ever see me multiply those things together, unless they're really small. So I need multiplies to 3 times 3 times 7 times 7, and adds to, and really I should put quotes around this, right? I need adds to 42. It'll be negative 42 that I'm looking for, right? Why the quotes?
No. Why did you do multiply the 9 times 49 when you just do 49?
That's the AC method. It says you need to take the first, right, the A term and the C term, multiply them together. That's the thing you're looking to multiply to. This is really just how the AC method works. So we can go through the why of the AC method in a bit if you want, but let me just trust me on that. Or can you trust me on that?
I mean, I was just wondering why.
Yeah, the why is a bit complicated, but we can do it after.
Okay, no problem.
All right, so I'm looking for multiplies to 3 times 3 times 7 times 7 and adds to 42.
Negative 21.
Oh yeah, hey, that's cool. You guys see that? This is 21 and 21, right? So a pair of 21s will get me to 42. You guys see that? Okay, so I'm looking for 9m squared
Minus 21m minus 21m.
plus 49 is
0.
0. Okay, then I'm looking to factor by grouping, right? Okay, so what can I...
Factor 3 out of 12.
Okay, I can get a 3m out of the first two. What am I left with there?
And minus 7. 3m minus
A 3m minus... What do I need to multiply by 3m to get 21m? 7. And then what can I factor out of the other guy? A negative 7. And what am I left with?
3m.
3m minus 7.
So you get 3m minus 7. 3m minus 7.
So I get 3m minus 7 squared. What does that mean? That means, damn it, I missed a perfect square trinomial. You guys see that? This is a price you pay for screwing up the perfect square trinomial, right? I could go back and notice, oh, duh. This is 3m squared, and this guy is 7 squared. And negative, well, maybe it's negative 7 squared. But 42m is in fact 7 times 3m times 2. Okay, well, I missed it, whatever. I did AC factoring. Apparently I got it right. So what do I do with this? Yeah, I do the zero product rule, right? Wait, or
You can just like get rid of the.
I can extract the roots, right? You guys see that? Either way, they're both valid options. So either way, you'll end up with, like, say, let's extract the roots. So I get 3m minus 7 is, what's plus minus the square root of 0? 0. No need for the plus or minus even. Then I'll add 7. So I'll get 3m is 7. Then I'll divide by 3. So m is 7 over 3. And why isn't there an or?
It could be m equals 7 or m equals 7.
Yeah, because it's one of these guys, right? What a poor drawing. Because it's one of those guys. I'm not clear this drawing got even better, but right, it's one of the parabolas that just touches once because the discriminant was 0. If I had crammed this in the quadratic formula at this step, I would have noticed the discriminant 0. It's cool.
I think the quadratic formula is a lot faster.
Yeah, it certainly can be. Yeah, so there are 3 techniques, right? And I advise towards spend like maybe a minute trying to factor. If you can't get it in a minute, if you don't notice immediately that it's a difference of squares or a PSP, or that you can factor it really easily, yeah, just throw it in the quadratic formula. The price you're going to pay is that you have to manipulate square roots a little bit, right? But it's not such a bad price to pay. Other things about this?